was a summer morning bright. History was stepping into light. 13 colonies raised their voice, dreaming of freedom, making their choice. Under the shadow of a distant crown, the people stood, they would not bow down. Taxes and burdens filled their days, yet hope kept burning through the haze. In Philadelphia, hearts were strong. A dream of liberty lived on. A single document, a daring flame, would change the course of history's name. July 4th, 1776, a nation rose through courage and risks. All men are created equal, they cried, and freedom's spirit spread far and wide. Oh, America, your story began with brave hearts and a fearless plan. Every word on that sacred page still shines through every passing age. Men with pens and visions clear signed their names despite their fear, knowing well what they could lose, yet standing firm for the path they choose. Storms were coming, battles near, but liberty was stronger than fear. They believed a nation's soul was worth more than comfort or control. One signature, one declaration became the birth of a mighty nation. Chains were broken, hopes took flight, a new dawn rose with morning light. July 4th, 1776, a nation rose through courage and risks. All men are created equal, they cried, and freedom's spirit spread far and wide. Oh, America, your story began with brave hearts and a fearless plan. Every word on that sacred page still shines through every passing age. The war was not yet won that day. There were still many miles on the way, but the flag of freedom had been raised, and future generations stood amazed. Through the years, the story remains, echoing across mountains and plains. A dream once written in ink and faith still inspires every path we take. Fireworks light the summer sky, red, white, and blue, shining high. Families gather and proudly say, we remember that historic day. Children listen to stories told of courageous hearts and spirits bold, how a declaration changed the world and freedom's banner was unfurled. July 4th, 1776, forever remembered through history scripts. A call for liberty, brave and true, a message that still carries through. Oh, freedom, your light still guides across the oceans and the tides. As long as the sun lights up the sky, the dream of liberty will never die. The echoes of